In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule posts on WordPress.com. Scheduling your WordPress posts can save you time and help maintain a consistent flow of content on your site. It allows you to prepare your posts in advance and have them published automatically at a later date, all while you focus on other tasks. Let's dive into the process together. First, you'll want to start by logging into your WordPress.com account. Simply head over to WordPress.com and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your WordPress dashboard where all the magic happens. From here, let's navigate to the Pages section. You can do this by locating the Pages option on the left sidebar of your dashboard and clicking on it. This will take you to a list of all the pages you've created on your WordPress site. Next, you'll want to create a new page where you can draft your post. Look for the Add Page button and click on it. This will open up a fresh page editor where you can start crafting the content you want to publish later. Take your time to write and format your post as you like. Remember, compelling content is key to engaging your readers, so use this opportunity to revise and ensure everything looks great. Once your post is ready, take a moment to focus on the settings that dictate when and how your post will be published. Head over to the Settings icon, which you can find at the top right corner of the editor. Click on it to reveal more options. Here, you'll see an option labeled Immediately, which is the default setting for instant publishing. But since we're scheduling, we'll need to change this setting. Instead of publishing immediately, you'll choose to schedule your post by selecting a specific date and time. Doing this ensures your post will go live exactly when you want it to. After clicking Immediately, a calendar will pop up, allowing you to pick the exact date you want your post to be published. Just click on your preferred date and you'll notice that you also have the option to set a time for your post to go live. Make sure to specify whether it's AM or PM. Being precise with this will ensure your content reaches your audience at the optimal moment. Finally, after choosing your date and time, you'll want to complete the process by clicking on the Schedule button. This is usually at the top of your screen. By clicking Schedule, you confirm that your post is set up to go live at the appointed time, letting you manage your content flow effortlessly. And there you have it. You've now learned how to effectively schedule posts on WordPress.com. This feature is a real game changer for managing your site, especially if you're looking to streamline your content publishing process. Happy blogging!